Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. Amazon Web Services is conducting free virtual trainings on various topics in upcoming days. So we'll see about that in detail in this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Coursera Plus. So if you want to buy any course in Coursera, instead of buying that single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus. Because with Coursera Plus subscription, you will get unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses that are offered by leading universities and companies around the world. And not only that, you will get guided projects, professional level certificate programs, and a lot more things are available for you. So you can get everything at one price using Coursera Plus subscription. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description. So now let's move on and see the free virtual training programs that are provided by AWS in upcoming days. So the first one is AWS Technical Essentials Day, which will be on March 24th of 2023. And the timing given here is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and please take care of the time zone. So time zone mentioned here is CT. So convert this to your local time zone and see at which time the program is going to be connected for you. So in this program, you can get to know about the AWS products, their services and solutions, and you can get to know the terminology and concepts related to AWS platform on a whole. And you can learn about the key concepts of AWS security measures and AWS identity and access management, which is commonly referred as IAM. So these are the things that you can expect to learn in this AWS Technical Essentials Day virtual training program. And next one is AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials Day, which will be on March 27th of 2023. And again, the time given here is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. but the time zone is CAT. So convert this to your local time zone. So whatever time is given here, whatever time zone is given here, convert this to your local time zone. So this is a course where you can learn about the overall concept of cloud, and you can get to know what is AWS cloud and how AWS is helping or operating in cloud technology. So you can learn about those things. So in learning objectives, you can see that clearly. So they will start from what the cloud is and how it works, and then you will get to know about the AWS cloud value proposition, and you'll get to know about the different methods of interacting with AWS. And there are a lot more things like well architected framework, basic AWS cloud architectural principles, shared responsibility model, security services with AWS cloud. So there are a lot more things. So if you want to get to know about these things, you can just make use of this. This is for any individual who's just getting started. So you do not have to be an AWS expert to attend these virtual programs. These are intended for beginners who are just starting. So you can just make use of this. Next one is machine learning machine learning basic training program. So you can see that here. So this is provided by Spectrum Networks, which is one of the official training partner of AWS. So they are providing this. So here you have 4 different modules starting from what is machine learning, and second one is categories of machine learning, and then you'll get to know about deep learning, and finally they'll teach you about the machine learning pipeline as well. So you can expect to learn all these things in this AWS machine learning basics program. This will be on March 30th, 2023. And time given here is 10 a.m. in Dubai. So again, convert this to your local time zone. So this is the third one, and the fourth one is job roles in the cloud. And here you can learn about the typical entry-level job roles in cloud technology. So you'll get to know about the 7 common entry-level cloud technology roles, and you'll also get to know about the responsibilities for it in both physical network and cloud environment. And you can also get to know about the skill set that you need, the qualifications, the certifications which you need to take to get that entry level job in cloud. So this is another virtual training program which is provided by AWS, and this will be on March 16th of 2023. Next one is building a cloud career, and this will be on March 23rd of 2023. And here you will learn to identify the next steps in your career journey. So there might not be any goal when you are just getting started in cloud-based roles, or you might not know where to go, what to do next, but that is what this program is going to solve for you. So how you can move forward in your cloud career. So you can learn about that in this program. So these are the 5 different virtual training programs which are currently offered by AWS and their partner networks. So to register for these programs, you can simply fill out the registration form that you see here in the right side. So just give your email address, name, phone number, and all other details. So once you are done with all these things, you can click on this register, and once you complete the registration, they'll send you an email, and then you can just follow those instructions and attend the training programs on mentioned date and time, and you can learn a lot of stuff. So I hope you will find this useful. If you want to get more updates about online training programs like this, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.